Hello, good morning, students. So, today we are going to learn some properties of multiplication. Let's start with our first property, which is multiplicative property of 1. It says that product of a number by 1 is the number itself. Let's take an example to understand it. For example, 23 ones are 23. It means when 23, a number which is a number, is multiplied by 1 gives you 23, which is the number itself. If we multiply a number to 1, we will get the same number. So this is the question from our maths course book. See, the question says that what must be multiplied to 158 so that we get 158 as answer. It is same as the property which we have learned. It is the multiplicative property of 1. So, what number will be multiplied? Yes, correct. 158 will be multiplied by 1. Let's move to next property, which is multiplicative property of 0. It says that the product of a number by 0 is 0. Let's see the example. If 48 is multiplied by 0, it will give you 0. So, if we will multiply any number to 0, we will get the answer 0 only. See, this is the question from our course book. They are asking what number must be multiplied to 372 so that we can get the answer 0. Can you tell me? Yes, it is related to the property which we have learned earlier. It is the multiplicative property of 0. So, 372 will be multiplied by 0. Correct. So that we can get the answer 0. So, we have learned that if a number is multiplied by 0, we will get the answer 0. Now, our next property is order property. It says that the product of two numbers does not change when the order of numbers is changed. Let's see the example. So, 15 multiplied by 2 will give you 30, as 15 twos are 30. But if we multiply 2 to 15, we will get the same answer, which is 30. So, it doesn't matter whether we multiply 15 to 2 or 2 to 15, we will get the same answer, which is 30. So, 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 15. This is the question. See, in the left hand side, they have written 97 multiplied by 106, whereas in the right side, 106 multiplied by a blank is there. Can you tell me which number must be placed here? Yes, it is related to the previous property. It is the order property. We will put 97 in the blank. So, this property says that the product of two numbers remains the same, irrespective of its sequence. If we multiply 97 to 106, we will get the same answer as 106 is multiplied to 97. Both will give the same answer. I hope you have understood it clearly. Try to solve the question given in your course book similarly. Thank you. So keep practicing the questions because practice makes the man perfect. Stay at home, stay safe.